Here are some simple solutions to help get your Frigidaire dryer running. Make sure the power cord fits tightly in the wall outlet. Still no power? Check to ensure a house fuse isn't blown or the circuit breaker tripped. Also ensure the dryer is on a separate circuit. Make sure you've turned on your dryer by pressing power. Check to see if delay start was inadvertently activated. The control child lock may be set. Make sure the door is closed. Your dryer will not start if the door is open. It's important to remember, some models will automatically turn off if you don't press start within a few minutes of setting the cycle. If this happens, reset your cycle and press start. We're here to help. Check out your use and care guide for more information. Visit www.frigidaire.com or call us at 800-374-4432. That should do it. You got this.